Next case study, let's see. During 2016, subscription received in cash is rupees 42,000. It includes 1,600 for 2015 and rupees 600 for 2017. Also rupees 3,000 has still to be received for 2016. So what you can infer is they have received 42,000, but this 42,000 includes 1,600. This is attributable to 2015, so this is not 2016's subscription amount income. Okay, similarly this 42,000 also includes rupees 600 which they have actually received in advance for 2017. So this is also not the income of the current year. Okay, this is previous year outstanding received in the current year. So in the previous year itself, as an outstanding, it would have been accounted as an income, whereas this is income received in advance. Okay, so it cannot be considered as income of the current year. And you also have one more information. Rupees 3,000 has still to be received for 2016. It means we should also add another 3,000. So understanding is, out of 42,000, you should remove this 1,600 because it is attributable to previous year. You should remove this 600 because it is attributable to next year. Whereas you should add this 3,000 because it is due for the current year. Okay, let's capture this in a statement form. Look at here, amount received 42,000. With this, let us add what is outstanding as on 31st December 2016, which is 3,000. So total 45,000. But this 45,000, or say that 42,000 includes the amount received on account of 2015, which is 1,600, and amount received on account of 2017, which is 600. So both put together 2,200. Both put together 2,200 have to be deducted from this 45,000. So what you can consider as subscription income for the year 2016 is only 42,800. Okay, in statement form it is pretty clear. Now we'll go and prepare the respective ledgers as well. Okay, let's see. The first one will have the subscription outstanding account, because already we know that some subscription was outstanding in the beginning of the year, right? And subscription outstanding was an asset, so it will have debit balance, right? So here we have 2016 January 1, to balance brought down. How much? 1,600. So this was supposed to be received in 2015, but it was outstanding. So on 1st Jan 2016, we are saying that to balance brought down. But after reading the question, we have understood that this was received during the year. Okay, but it was credited to which account? Subscription account. It was credited to which account? Subscription account. See, what should happen here is, we know this 1,600 was already credited in subscription account in the last year. That's why it had come as a opening balance here, because in last year they would have passed an entry, subscription outstanding account debit to subscription. Okay, but in the current year that 42,000 includes this 1,600 also. So you have to reduce that. Already in the statement form we have done that, but the account should also be given effect, right? Subscription income is a credit account. Okay, so if you want to reduce that, what you should do? Debit. Okay, so that's the entry you see here. On 31st December, by subscription account 1,600. So by doing this, you are actually debiting the subscription account. Okay, then the question also gave us another information. Some subscription was outstanding at the end of the year. Okay, some subscription was outstanding at the end of the year and the amount was 3,000. What will be the entry? Subscription outstanding account debit, right, to subscription account. So that's what you see here. Subscription outstanding account 31st December to subscription account, and amount is 3,000. This is the information which we had in the question. Okay, so now let's close this. 1,600 plus 3,000, total is 4,600. of which already we have adjusted this 1600 in the subscription account. So we are left with the balance of 3000, right? So buy balance carried on 3000, so 4600. So this is going to be the opening balance on Jan 1 2017, to balance brought down 3000, right? So in this subscription outstanding account we had two items, that is this 1600 debited in subscription and 3000 credited in subscription. Okay, so we should give effect for that, let us not forget that. So we have subscription account here, and based on the information from the question, what we have to understand is they have received subscription of 42,000. Let's say they have received it in the form of cash. Entry would have been cash account debit to subscription account. That's what you see here. We are passing this entry at the end of the year. By cash account 42,000, that is cash account is debited, subscription account is credited. Okay, but here just now we did this two adjustments. Subscription account have to be debited by 1600 and it should be credited by 3000. Let's do that. Let's go and debit the subscription account to subscription outstanding 1600, and we should also credit the subscription account by subscription outstanding 3000. Okay, so this is taken care. But question also gave us one more information. Some subscription has been received in advance. Okay, so let's open that account also, then we'll come back to subscription account. Let's open that account, that is subscription received in advance. We don't have any opening balance and all. But when subscription is received in advance, it is not your current year income. It is not your current year income. But what happened? Here, this subscription 42,000 includes what was received in advance also, and the amount received in advance is 600. That is not your current year income. So, if you want to remove from this, what you should do? You should debit. So, here we are going to debit. Okay, 31st December, we'll say to subscription received in advance account 600. To subscription received in advance account 600, and that's what you see here. 31st December 2016. By subscription account 600, that is what you have seen here. Let me put it here. This 600 is what you see here, by subscription account 600, and there are no other items, so it is going to become your closing balance also. So here you have the total of 600, so that will become your closing balance. 31st December 2016, to balance carried on 600, and this will become opening balance on Jan 1 2017, by balance brought down 600. So that is taken care. Now again, let's go back to the subscription account. So we have factored all these items, right? Now let us do the total. We'll see where you have higher total. Is it on the credit or debit? See, on credit you have 42 plus 3, 45,000, and on debit you don't have that much because you have only two items. So we'll take 45,000 as total both sides. Total both sides is 45,000. So 45,000 minus these two items, 1,600 and 600, that is 2,200. You deduct from 45,000. You get a balance of 42,800. What is this 42,800? This is the subscription income which you can transfer for the relevant year. The relevant year is 2016. Okay, so for 2016 you cannot transfer this entire 42,000 to income and expenditure account because you had various adjustments like this. So the amount which you can transfer to income and expenditure account is only 42,800. That's what we write here. 31st December to income and expenditure account being transferred 42,800.